Northeast dispatcher, over.
UP 5363 with that last warrant is released to you, sir.
Take it, go ahead, over.
Conductor and engineers done a job briefing and agree that we're clear to limits of track warrant number 4386 to the UP 5363 from YL 80.7 to YL 92.4 on main track 1 walking up. We also agree that no mainline switches were used. This is being reported clear by Denterman, over.
Track warrant number 4386, UP 5363. YL 80.7, YL 92.4, reported clear by Denterman, 1252, 1252, dispatcher MIF, over.
Show track warrant 4386 to the UP 5363, void by MIF and Denterman at 1252, over.
And that's correct, over.
Alright, thank you very much for your help today, dispatcher. You have a nice one.
Thank you, dispatch out.
5363 out.
Go forward.
Bureau Masters, UIM, over.
Line lock for mainline movement, conductor and engineer initial log track 104.497 is GMTX 2304. OCP 067, mile 458, reported clear by STEM. 1254, 1254, dispatcher MIF, over. Wild 52.8, that's 52.8, main track, Kenosha sub. Xbox 17, other specific instructions. Comply with procedure X8, X-ray Hotel, mile 56.2, 56.2. Dispatcher MIF, Soroka, over.